Hello, how are you? Thank you. Welcome again to the class of economics. Mr. Mkenda here, your teacher of economics. We want to continue from where we ended last time. Remember, the second part of the question was describe the exceptions of the law of demand. Describe the exceptions of the law of demand. Now, remember what we said about the law of demand. The law of demand states that other things will remain the same. The higher the price, the lower the quantity demanded, and vice versa. So in other words, according to the law of demand, price varies inversely to the quantity demanded. But now here, we are required to explain the exceptions of the law of demand. Now, what are the exceptions? Exceptions of the law of demand refers to the situations in which the law of demand fail to operate. The situations in which the law of demand fail to operate. You remember what is the law of demand? The higher the price, the lower the quantity demanded, and vice versa. But there are some situations or there are some circumstances under which that one does not agree. That is, as price increases, the quantity demanded also increases. So there are some situations where you find that as the price of the commodity increases, the quantity demanded also increases. Now this is against the law of demand. The question is, what are those exceptions? These exceptions are: one, we have the ignorance of the consumers. Two, we have the Veblen goods. We have different goods, or sometimes we call it inferior goods. And also we have fear of future change in price, or we call it expectation of future change in price. But lastly, we have fear of future change in price, and lastly we have the fear of serious shortage. Now, to start with the last one, how is it that when there is serious shortage, people buy more of the goods even if the price is increasing? Well, if consumers are fearing that a certain commodity will be in acute shortage, they will buy more of that commodity even as price increases. And now this one goes against the law of demand, because we expected that when the price is increasing, the demand to decrease. But because of the fear that tomorrow or in the future, the price will continue to increase, today, even if the price is high,